Welcome back, my dear friends. STIHL 090 bow saw. What made them dangerous was people using them in ways they weren't meant to be used. A bow saw is made for cutting a felled tree up into smaller pieces, not for felling the tree, nor for limbing the tree, etc. For the largest, toughest, and most demanding jobs, professionals can find the performance they need in the MS-881 chainsaw. With its updated engine design and up to 41-inch guide bar length, the MS-881R is the largest, most powerful saw in the STIHL lineup. Greater fuel efficiency than the previous model means savings of time and money. Another time-saving feature is the stop switch, which automatically returns to run position after the engine is stopped, reducing the chance of flooding the engine when starting. In this section, we will see the common method of cutting trees, which is making a notch in front of the tree, basically about 70 degrees or wider, to allow the tree to come all the way over before it breaks the hinge. The chainsaw STIHL MS462cm. For the professional user who wants more power with less weight and less user fatigue from their chainsaw in regular forestry work. This machine is the lightest STIHL chainsaw ever made in its fuel-powered class, weighing just over 13 pounds. It has a great power-to-weight ratio for improved maneuverability that has been verified by experts in the field. The fuel metering and ignition timing are electronically managed by the new STIHL M-Tronic TM engine management system. For ease of use and optimum performance, the saw automatically adapts to changes in its operating environment. This method is considered the most difficult in cutting trees. The worker has to carry the heavy saw and climb to the top of the tree. He then ties himself to the top of the tree using a strong rope, then directly cuts the tree from the side.